y'all, it's Will
and Mommy. Hey y'all,
it's Will
and Mommy.
We gotta make a
Frozen yogurt fruit bites.
yes.
So we're not following the exact recipe because I got a larger size yogurt, but that's fine. So we got some Greek yogurt, vanilla yogurt. And then we're doing strawberries.
Yes. And then we're going to do this bowl. And then
then
we have favorite.
Wait a minute. And then we have
Favorite.
these are ice trays. We're gonna put them in. So we have unicorn and we have dinosaurs.
I'm scared dinosaurs.
Girl, no, you're not. She loves dinosaurs. I don't know if she gets like that.
I love unicorn.
So what we're gonna do is first we're gonna scoop some yogurt into this bowl. So we'll take the spoon.
Thank you.
And then I'm gonna let you scoop some yogurt while I cut up the strawberries.
Okay.
Okay. So she gonna scoop up some yogurt. We're gonna fill up both trays. 2, 4, 6, 8. No one has 2, 4, 6, 8. So they both have 8 trays or 8 slots there.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna just see. I'm just cutting them into like little 4.
All right.
I guess.
I just give me yogurt out.
Yeah. Keep putting it in there.
Mommy.
The strawberries gotta go in there. Just keep putting the yogurt in there.
Buy strawberries. Buy.
Oops. Well, be careful.
Why?
Cause look what you're doing.
I'm sorry. Buy strawberries.
Okay.
I don't need the bigger that.
Okay, that may be enough. Let me put, hold on. Well, wait a minute, hold on. Okay, sorry y'all, we was having some technical difficulties over here.
Yeah.
I have to get a new tripod because ours
Don't cut it.
messed up. So we're using this other one and it's not
I think
very sturdy.
there's no yogurt right here.
No, that's enough. Hold on.
I
Let me
think
no,
we need more.
well, listen to what I'm saying. No, I think
I
that's
want
enough.
more yogurt.
No, that's enough for right now because we gotta put more strawberries first.
Okay. You put the strawberry in there. I'll take the yogurt out.
One more cup scoop and that's it. That's enough yogurt. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That's enough yogurt.
Yeah. So I'm cutting. Don't put your hand right here when I'm cutting.
Strawberry. Oh.
Okay.
I'm just mixing it up. Hey y'all. So I'm mixing the strawberries up with yogurt, and then we're gonna add some favorites in it.
And you can use whatever fruit you want to. We like strawberries, so we're doing strawberries, but you can do like raspberries or whatever. But we're gonna do the strawberries.
I'm gonna get the unicorn.
Okay, so now we need to, I think it's, let me do one more strawberry. Wait a second, please.
And now we have the unicorn one.
Do one more scoop of yogurt, please.
Huh?
Put another scoop of yogurt in there.
Okay. Another scoop of yogurt.
Okay.
And then the strawberry on the side. Scoop is like.
Okay, now I gotta, go get a fork.
Huh?
Go get a fork, please. Yeah.
Okay.
So now we need to mash up the strawberries. Make a mess.
Now the fork.
Start making a little mess, y'all.
You.
Okay, let me see.
There you go.
We're gonna mash it up.
Mommy, can I do it?
Wait a minute, no, because we need a strong hand. So see how I'm mashing up the strawberries, y'all?
Don't mess up my strawberry.
We gotta mash it up. We gotta mash it up.
I want to do it first.
No.
I want to do it.
I'm gonna put a couple more strawberries in here because I feel like it needs a little bit more.
then-
No, we don't need no more of that. We don't need no more of that. But y'all see how it's turning
Get down. Get down.
red?
Preston holding up his body.
Princeton, get down.
Preston, get down. What my mama
Actually,
said.
this might be enough strawberries.
Actually, I think this pencil has dots and then the head. Get down!
Princeton.
What? No. What are you talking about?
Okay, now we're gonna. Can you go get another spoon?
Another one?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah, seriously, please.
Bro.
Get down.
Bro, seriously? This one for kids. Okay?
Okay. So this is what it's looking like, y'all. So now we're going to scoop up the. Now we're gonna take the yogurt and strawberries and we're gonna place them into our trays.
Yes. I'm doing this one.
Okay. Be careful.
Okay.
And I might have to go get the other trays because.
Mama, gonna beat you. Mine's gonna beat you. My unicorn is awesome. She's so cute.
She's so cute.
Yeah. You thought it was crazy.
Huh?
My unicorn is cute. Your dinosaur is crazy.
Why my dinosaur gotta be crazy?
Huh?
Why my dinosaur gotta be crazy?
Mine's gonna beat you. Mine's gonna beat you, mommy. I'm gonna beat you. Alright, I'm beating mommy, and you know how to beat me. Mommy,
Yeah, I'm all out of the. Try to stay inside the line thing, okay?
I did it.
Okay.
More strawberries. Oops.
We concentrating, y'all.
Oops. And mine didn't work.
Hmm?
Help. Mine didn't work.
What you mean it's not working?
Mine didn't work. Oh, there we go. There we go.
I need to be mushed a little bit more. Hold on.
Me too.
Well, hold on. Wait. Okay, you can scoop that up.
Hey, happy too.
Put some right there.
No, I beat you now.
Okay.
I beat you, mommy.
Mm-hmm.
Ha 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 ha! I bet mama. Not gonna put mine in the freezer.
Hold on. Wait a minute.
Hey,
Because I don't want you to drop it and I want to make sure some space. I need to find the space for it. Hold on.
space.
Yeah, space. In the freezer.
Freezer. I'm gonna taste it. That's not delicious.
Y'all. This
Yogurt.
the ways. Y'all gotta see how we done put this in here, but that's okay. It's okay. So this is the dinosaurs.
And still the unicorns.
Child, look at what unicorns. I'm gonna have to fix it a little bit.
No, don't.
No, I'm just fixing it right here. Look how that's all.
My unicorn is bigger than you.
Girl, what was you doing?
Hmm?
I said, what was you doing? Okay, y'all, so we're gonna put this in the freezer for 4 to 6 hours. We're gonna do the in between and do 5. And then we'll come back when they're done. Okay, y'all. So we are back. Let me tell y'all. First of all,
Yes.
it's a mess right now. Okay.
Yes.
It's a mess.
Mine's a mess.
Yes, but we about to see what they taste like. Hold on.
My unicorn.
Hold on. And then I brought
Oh,
it's cute. Look.
thank you.
Once we cut it out, I'm ashy. But look, hold on, wait.
My unicorn is cute.
And then let me take out one of these dinosaurs.
My mommy had dinosaurs one.
Okay, it's actually cute, y'all. Look. Oh, it's cute. Okay, let's taste it. Here. Ready?
My frozen.
Well, they just came out the freezer. It's good, y'all.
Yeah, mine's good. It tastes really good, Mommy.
It's good.
Yeah.
And the strawberries we got?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
This hitting.
Mine good. Hey, mine beat you.
And the strawberries we got was sweet too. So, yeah.
That's delicious.
It's delicious, ain't it? Okay, so you can use whatever fruit you want to use. They had like, I think the recipe I found had like blueberries or raspberries, something like that. But I got strawberries.
I had strawberries, blueberries, and ice cream.
No, you didn't. Anyway, we had strawberry, and this is good. This is really good, y'all. Y'all make y'all some. I'm gonna put the recipe. I'm ashy. I've been washing my hand. I've been doing the yard, y'all. But I'm gonna put the recipe down here so y'all can make y'all some. All right, bye.
Bye.
It's just me and I'm telling them.